Welcome to Gallery Teachers Masterclass. I'm André Hedlund, and I will be talking about making thinking and learning visible, which, by the way, is a very important topic for us to discuss as teachers and educators, because we want to see if our students are actually learning. So how can we see that? We have to look at the evidence. We have to have this empirical approach to teaching. How can they show us that they are in the process of learning? They can use different elements. They can actually make their learning available through digital platforms or infographics. Why is that important for you teachers? Well, if we do not look at the evidence of what our students are able to produce, how can we really know if they're learning? So we have to make their learning visible. And that's why I really want to discuss those things with you in my masterclass.